Today we're going to discuss about the ideal versus real culture and the characteristics of culture. Ideal and real culture. With ideal culture, this refers to the norms and the values that our society professes to hold. Ideal culture describes models to emulate and which are worth aspiring to, while real culture refers to norms and values that are allowed in practice. Characteristics of culture, we have six. We have culture is learned, culture is shared, culture is integrated, culture is adaptive and dynamic, culture is abstract, and culture is symbolic. In culture is learned, it is learned through families, friends, institutions, and media. We have one type of culture which is enculturation. This is a process of learning about culture. Culture is shared when groups of people usually share similar behavior patterns which develop over time. But shared culture does not mean that it is homogeneous. Culture is integrated. Culture is holistic in nature. Different cultures are interconnected. Difficult cultural manifestation distinguish one society from another because here in the Philippines, we have different cultures in Luzon, Visayas, as well as in Mindanao. Culture is adaptive and dynamic. It adapts to various environmental and geographical conditions. For example, we have from hunter-gatherer to the globalized world. So iba yung kultura noon, iba rin ang kultura ngayon. Kaya ang mga tao nag-a-adapt. We have culture is abstract. No single tangible manifestation that can take the form of culture itself exists in the minds of the individual interacting with one another within a particular society or even across society. It manifests through behavior, habits, mannerisms, and activities. And lastly, culture is symbolic. Societies develop a way to manifest concepts and ideas and a symbol that stands for different meaning for different society. For example, white for Western countries is a symbol for purity and peace, while white for Eastern and Asian culture is death, mourning, and misfortune. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and please hit the notification button.